Manisha, can you confirm it? My screen is visible or not? So, hello everyone. Uh, as you can see here, my name is Pitavas Mahapatra. So, why we are here? Okay. So, this is a project explanation series. So, what we are going to do? Here we discuss what project we have done for our clients as well as what our participants have done also, right? So, today we will discuss, okay, that what project we have done for one of our client. And we are going to discuss from the perspective of business stand of point as well as technical perspective, right? Okay. So what is the exact business problem is? The business problem is, okay, enhancing safety and hazard management in scrap-based liquid steel production. This is the problem statement, right? So what is happening? A client is there, right? The client follow a process of melting and recycling old metal scrap to produce new liquid steel. Okay, so in that process, they are facing severe injuries. There means their workers are facing severe injuries. For what reason? Okay, while they throw everything, okay, while they throw everything to the furnace, there is a furnace, okay. In that furnace, they recycle old metal scraps to produce new liquid steel. So while they throw everything, there is a chance they might throw the cylinder, okay, some other things, hazardous things. What is the meaning of hazardous? That those things which are dangerous, okay, those things that might bring harm to the workers, okay. So this is the exact problem statement, okay. So we'll see how we encountered it with our solution, right? So let's go ahead. Okay, before I take you into the project explanation, okay, let me talk to you. What is the difference between a guy, okay, from XYZ Institute and the difference between a guy who have got well trained from 360 digital. Okay, so this guy who is Mr. or Mrs. A, okay, what he did, he worked on dummy projects, okay, from Kaggle, GitHub, okay. He collected some data sets from Google Scholar, okay, followed some YouTube channel, did projects by himself or herself, okay, and got educated in that way. So how our students or our participants who have got trained from 360 DigitMG are different, okay. So they worked on real-time projects, attended daily stand-up calls from the clients, created end-to-end data pipeline, did deployment on premise and on cloud, okay, attended client meeting. So what is the end result? Their research paper got published in international journals. So if you see the difference is huge. They have worked on real-time projects, have created good models, done deployment on cloud, and their research paper got published in international journals. This is how our participants are different from the rest. Okay. Let's understand the business. Okay. From a business point view, from the business perspective, let's understand our business problem, our objective, what is the constraint, what is the success criteria, ML success criteria, and economic success criteria. Okay. So basically, the business problem is, as I mentioned earlier, okay, detecting hazardous material present in metal scraps, which goes straight into blast furnace to make TMT bars. Okay. So basically, as I told, the company follows a process. What is the process? The process is, so this is a process of melting and recycling old metal scrap to produce new liquid steel. Okay. And ensuring that the workplace is safe, equipment is used properly, and risks are minimized in this project. So how? So our objective was maximize the blast furnace safety by detecting hazardous substances, especially the closed containers, especially those closed containers. Might be some gas cylinder, okay? Might be some other hazardous substances which can blast anytime and can cause severe injuries for the workers. Okay. While following this business objective, our constraint is ensure real-time detection of hazardous materials with zero false negative to prioritize blast furnace safety without disrupting operational efficiency. The success criteria from business point of view, okay, is increase the furnace life and reduce those damage by 10%. What is the ML success criteria? Achieve an accuracy of 90% in detecting hazardous material. And the economic success criteria was reduce furnace repairs and damages by at least 15%. Okay. This is the business understanding. Okay. So what architecture we followed for this kind of business problem? Okay. Let me zoom it a little bit. So in the first point, we understand the data. Understanding the data, guys, is a difficult thing. Not difficult when you understand it properly. It is not difficult when you understand it properly. So it takes some time to understand the business. Okay. After understanding the business, we have to collect data from the clients. Okay. Fetch it, store it in a data set, fetch it. Then we did annotation. What is annotation? Annotation basically object detection annotation, classification, and segmentation. Okay. What is classification? Suppose okay, in a picture, only one cat is there or only dog is there. We can say, yeah, this is a cat. Oh, this is a dog. That is image classification. What else? What if dog and cat both are present there? What can we do? In that case, we follow object detection. Okay, that is an annotation technique. In object detection, suppose lot of scraps they are throwing into the furnace. Okay, might be they might be throwing those closed containers, cylinders. Okay, a mix of different hazardous substance might be there. A mixture of different hazardous substances. So whenever the case is mixture type of, okay, images are there, videos are there, the proof of why the accidents are happening for those particular client, proofs are there, images are there, videos are there, where we can clearly see they are throwing mixture of scraps. Okay. So to detect those cylindrical objects, gas cylinders, okay, is not difficult when we follow object detection annotation technique. Okay. And we store basically the data collection part is here. We have to collect the data. Okay. We have to fetch the data from a database. We have to store the data also in a database. We have to fetch it. We have to annotate it. Okay. Store it in S3. This is Amazon S3, not normal S3. This is the S3 means simple storage service. Okay. This is a database service provided by Amazon. Okay. So in the next step, we do data pre-processing. Okay. Data pre-processing means we have to clean the data. Okay. We have to pre-process it. Okay. To clean the data in an order so that our model can understand the pattern and can predict. Okay. Predict those things clearly. So in data processing, we did image normalization. Okay. Image resizing, ROI extraction. ROI means nothing but region of interest. That is one kind of annotation. Then image augmentation. Augmentation means some, suppose the client have some fixed data. Okay. Okay. The client is giving us some fixed data. So what we are doing in the image augmentation, we are making it huge from those such limited data, we can say, in RoboFlow. Okay. Then after the data pre-processing done, we are building the models. That is the model building phase here, as you can see. Okay. After successfully creating a model, we are going and searching the map score. The map score is nothing but a matrix used to measure the performance of a model for tasks such as object detection and information retrieval. Okay, and we also check if it is underfitting, balanced or overfitting. Okay, in overfitting, the model give 100% accuracy. Okay, don't care for any other means if exactly it is true or false. Okay, so it covers every point. It is overfitting. That can be biased. In overfitting, that can be biased. Balance is the good. Underfitting means it is not able to predict. It is not able to detect those hazardous substances clearly. Then we deploy. Then we deploy that model, suppose using Streamlit or AWS. Finally, the monitoring stage. Right? This is the architecture diagram which we prepare before proceeding into the project. Right? And we follow it also. Then this is the final result. See the data, how it looks like. Suppose in one picture, lot of things are there, scrap material. In this image, see cylinders are there. Okay. Here some drums are there. Shock absorber. Here one shock absorber is there. Cylinder is there. Right? Capacitors are there. Again, you can see cylinders are there. Shock absorbers are there. Drums, motors, cylinder. Okay. This is a drum also. Some hazardous material here. Okay. Some gas cylinders here, cylinder. Okay. These are some hazardous materials. Okay. Our model is detecting successfully. Okay. In the end, our model is successfully detecting every hazardous material which causing explosion. Right. Then, yeah. So our model got executed successfully and it is giving good results, very good results. Right. So project was successfully done. So let's come what our institute offer. Sorry. What we offer. So what we offer? Challenging real-time projects that push you to your limits. Okay. If you got into 360 DigiTMG, if you enroll with our courses, we will give you real-time projects, guys. Okay, and we will push you to your limits also, so that you will learn all the phases of project methodology. What is a project methodology? You can say this one: following project step by step, means you have the clear vision, the clear idea how to do the projects, different, how to cross the path of the projects. Learning about different tools used in the industry like Python, Power BI, cloud platforms, etc. Okay. Work on research paper that are published in international journals. It is not a small thing. So before you proceed into any project, before you go enter into any project, you have to search on different papers, research articles. Okay, the same thing discussed here. This one, the same thing. Okay. Then access to various free tools to enhance your learning. That our mind map is there. ML architecture assistant, resume optimization hub, animated learning. In mind map, okay, you will get the basic bit by bit. What is Python? What is variable? What is data types? What is functions? What is conditional statement? What is regex? What is data analytics? Bit by bit, the part by part. Okay. So this is the mind map. You get access to. Our ML architecture assistant is there to help you know, understand how you proceed in the business step by step. What you use, what should you use in the project to complete it successfully, right? And okay, I will not take that much of time. Finally, our page is there. Contact number is there. If you want to enroll in 360 DigiTMG and you want to be a well participant, and if you want to get okay certificate from different topic, and if you want to learn from the experts in different fields, okay, you can contact in this number. Okay, our branches are there in Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Chennai, Pune. Okay, in different parts it is going to open also. You can directly write your mail in this ID. Okay, our Instagram pages is there also. Our Instagram page is there. Okay, our YouTube page is there, and LinkedIn is also there. You can go and search it. You can follow it also. Okay, so yeah, today this is all. Okay, we from 360 DigiTMG, we wanted to share this experience with you guys. So come on, let us know if you are interested. Contact us. You can contact us. You can write mail to this ID. Okay, and you can follow our pages, our social media pages, right? So okay, I will say bye bye. Okay, and we will find out our live session. Okay, we will meet guys in our institute. Okay.